Good morning, viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwal. See, in the last three videos, I had predicted that the stock and financial markets are dependent upon retrograde planets. And the moment they become direct, you see, Saturn became direct on the 11th of October, Jupiter became direct on the 18th of October, Mercury became direct on the 19th October in the evening. So 20th October, there, as I told you, some direction has to be there in the stock and financial markets. And when these planets are direct, they are not as bullish as when they are in retrograde motion. So, and I had mentioned that after 19th, the stock and financial markets would take some direction. And the other parameter what I had mentioned was that whenever Jupiter and Saturn combine in any sign in direct motion, they are not very good for the economy of the country. So the little correction I had mentioned that there won't be any big correction, but definitely there could be a correction between 5 to 8% after the 20th of October and 21st of November, because Jupiter, the Karka for wealth, finance, as far as India Foundation chart is concerned, as the 8th Lord, it will go in the 8th from Moon. So friends, this is all just I wanted to tell you that all my predictions, whether it was for the bail of Aryan Khan, whether it was rains in the northwest and in the southern part of the country, my predictions have proved spot on. Whether it was farmer agitation, political turmoil, all what has been predicted has been proved spot on. All my predictions on the killings, as far as in Jammu and Kashmir, I had mentioned that Jammu and Kashmir will be the focus, for terrorism. And the rains, there will be unprecedented rains in the south and the northern west part of the country. And today evening, 22nd rather, I would say early morning, Mars is also changing sign to Libra, and there Mars will be aspecting Rahu. Mars will be aspecting return aspect of Mars and Saturn. It is not good. So friends, this is all just I wanted to say that things would crystallize. Things would now crystallize because the Saturn and Mars are connection, and then Mars aspecting Rahu, and then on the 5th of December Mars will be in opposition from Rahu. It will join Ketu in the sign Scorpio. So it is not good, which is the 7th house of India Foundation chart. So there will be risk of the neighbors, creating some turmoils at the border. So this is all I just wanted to share, that whatever predictions have been made, whether it was stock and financial markets, whether it was political turmoil, whether it was weather conditions, or the bail of Aryan Khan. Even if today the bail application is moved in the High Court today, I've mentioned on the Facebook, you can see, let us see what the results come. After 1300 hours, between 1300 hours to 1445 hours is not good for Aryan Khan, because Sun will be in the 10th house and it gives a punitive judgment. And before that, the Lagna Lord and the Moon both are in movable signs, are good. But I have mentioned a specific time, that in that specific time, if the verdict comes, it could come in his favor, because since we don't know the exact time of whether the hearing would take place today or not, we cannot comment, but we can only speculate. So, but I have already mentioned that because of the Neech Bhang Raj Yog, I don't have the exact birth details of Aryan Khan, but as per the day of birth and using the declination method, it clearly shows that he will get relief after suffering. So he has to suffer and then get relief. Until and unless Jupiter is in the sign Capricorn, he may not get much relief. But Jupiter has become direct, so there is some little ease which he may get, but the but the major change in the scenario would only take place after the 21st of November 2021. He will have to go through all this, because I don't have even the date of birth is there, but time of birth is not there, and the time of the hearing is not there. So I'm only speculating, but till now whatever I have predicted is spot on. Whether for his bail, twice I had mentioned that twice he will not get a bail, and whatever predictions have been made globally, for global predictions, you see, as far as virus is concerned, throughout the world, the virus, number of virus has jumped. You talk about Russia, you talk about UK, you talk about US, you talk about Japan, you talk about Singapore, you talk about Brazil. So all the places I had mentioned that 18th October is the peak time. From there, slowly and slowly things would ease, but around the 18th of October it will be the peak time. And as far as November is concerned, the date time frame 11th of November, 10th 11th of November is most enigmatic for the worldly things, because it is parallel to WW2, somewhat parallel to WW2. So things are not good. So this is all I just wanted to share, that whatever predictions have been made, they have proved spot on. And thank you for listening to me. Have a good day. Bye bye.